In this video, we're talking about the Dewalt brushless weed trimmer. So let's see if we got a number here. I guess it don't. Anyway, I have a 6 amp hour battery in it. So the question is, so there's a 6 amp hour flex volt, just picked that up. The question is, we'll go into this in a second, but the question is a battery weed trimmer worth it? Instead of using gas, is it worth using a battery weed trimmer? In some situations, I think so. If you're only gonna maybe, we'll find out maybe. We'll video some of this. Maybe I'll add some more to it. We'll see once. But I think there's value in this instead of dealing with a gas weed trimmer and letting it sit and to deal with the fuel getting blocked up in the carburetor. You forget to take it out, blah, blah, blah. So I do not have the original head on this because this head I adapted to it. I think this is the steel auto cut that I had laying around left over from another one. And I was able to adapt it on there, which is good. Then I can use my own twine. So this thing here also for storage, you can take and divide this down, be able to hang it up on the wall really easy. Obviously it's part of Dewalt's 20 volt max system. This case here, you can also take these batteries, make 60 volts, larger chainsaw, so on and so forth. So let's go give this thing a try. Is that the number we're looking for? No, I thought this would have a model number on it. It's probably in the... All right, let's do a little bit right here at the back of the truck. Hello? All right, that works pretty good. So I'm saying, so like this area here, there's quite a bit to cut. We got a little bit out here. I'm not going to film it all, but you have a small area to weed trim. I think it's valuable with a battery weed trimmer. All right, we got done cutting here what we needed to do around this house. Probably took us maybe 15-20 minutes at the most. And you know, this is the Dewalt 20-volt weed trimmer. I think this is a viable option, especially when you're someone like me who already has Dewalt batteries and a whole bunch of other Dewalt tools. Like there, I have a tool bag. So I do think it's a viable option to use something like this. You know, maybe you won't keep the head in. The steel auto cut worked in here. I was able to adapt that up and then use a heavier twine. I buy that in bulk at my shop. So let's see here once. So we cut her, like I said, for like 20 minutes. And this was a fully charged battery, as you can see. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. Fully charged yet. So that 6 amp hour battery was not phased. Obviously, we could go a long while on weed trimmer with this, and I don't have to worry about buying fuel or anything. Throw a battery in it, go weed whack, and no big deal. So is this a viable option? Yes, it is, I think. And then I have the extra heavy duty batteries for other things as well, especially in my shop. So thanks for watching. This is GMAC. Like, subscribe. Don't forget, there'll be more information on batteries and other Dewalt tools in the description below. Thanks for watching. This is GMAC. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. And remember, keep on wrenching.